Hi kids, welcome back to another fun lesson. Today we're going to practice how to ask and answer questions in English. Let's start examples. Look at this doll. Question, what is this? Answer, this is a doll. Great job. Now, look at this almirah. Question, is this an almirah? Answer, yes it is. Well done. Here is a cycle. Question, is this a cycle? Answer, yes, it is a cycle. Excellent. Look at this woman. Question, are you a nurse? Answer, no, I am not a nurse. I am a teacher. Fantastic. Now see this gardener. Question, are you a gardener? Answer, yes, I am. Amazing. Finally, look at this bus. Question, is that a car? Answer, no, it is not a car, it is a bus. Wonderful. That's all for today, kids. Now you know how to ask and answer questions in English. Keep practicing with your family and friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.